Hello friends, welcome to Engineering World. Today I am continuing with my next lecture of rocket science and engineering, and we are continuing with the first chapter, which is basically the introduction to rocketry, and we have finished the chapter. We are now discussing some important questions related to it. If you want to have a look at the explanation of the chapter, which is basically about the histories of rocketry, you can go and check my previous videos. Now for today's question, I have chosen this question: why were Williams Hale's rocket better than William Congreve's rocket? Both these persons are Englishmen. They are from England, and both had made contribution towards rocketry. Congreve rockets used stick at the base to give direction to the rocket, but it was not that much effective. Okay, it was not that much efficient in term of direction, of giving direction to the rocket. So at that time it was a bit struggle to manage Congreve's rocket to send them to the required target. Then Hale came up with his own idea of making rockets. He used holes at the base instead of the stick. He removed the stick and created hole over there. Okay, and ultimately he put three holes at the base, and this provide a kind of spin stabilization, because the Congreve rocket, you know, spins a lot, so it provided some sort of stability. Okay, spin stabilization was there, and they were working fine as far as direction is concerned. Okay, it has three holes at the base for gases to come out, and it is called as the rotary rockets. Okay, so why were William Hale's rocket better? Because in term of direction, giving direction to the rockets, they were far much better than William Congreve's. And the idea behind William Hale's rocket was the use of holes instead of stick. Now moving on to the next question: what are the contribution of Robert Goddard? He gave world the first liquid propellant rocket. He made method to reach higher altitudes with escape velocity. First developed gyro stabilization apparatus for rockets. Created rocket with speed higher than the speed of sound, and was able to launch rocket up to 9,000 feet. He is known as the father of modern rocketry or rocket engineering. Okay, now the next part of this question is: what are the contributions of Konstantin tsiolkovsky towards rocketry? He is known as the Russian father of rocketry. Basically, there are three people: Hermann, who is a German, and this man Konstantin, and Goddard. All of three of them have worked independently, and all of them are known as the father of rocketry. Okay, he gave proposals to explore outer space with rockets. He gave equations bearing his name, known as formulas, that provide relation between the changing mass of the rocket as the fuel is burning away, and the velocity of the escaping gases, and the velocity of the speed of the rocket itself. Okay, he gave his thought on multi-stage rockets, and he proposed pressurized suits for astronauts.